Get paid by typing CAPTCHA. Are you looking for an online job full of career opportunities? Do you want to earn to meet your petty expenses without leaving your comfort zone? If yes, then you ought to know everything about CAPTCHA entry work. In this video you will know what is CAPTCHA solving jobs and how to earn from this, and the top 10 CAPTCHA entry work websites which have an impeccable scope of boosting up your income. One of the best parts about the CAPTCHA solving jobs is that it can be performed with limited resources, as it is very simple. Many people are doing it as a part-time job. If you are giving it a thought to make money from these jobs, you just need a smartphone, or laptop, and internet connection. There are plenty of sites in the world that are running these days, of which you need to be assured that which sites are genuine and legit. Being a genuine site will always make the payment timely and smoothly. In order to join CAPTCHA solving jobs, you need to sign up with the companies providing CAPTCHA entry work. Once you created your account, you need to log into your admin panel and then type the correct CAPTCHA images. Before we move forward in this video, let us first know what exactly is CAPTCHA solving jobs. This is Norbipol TV. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting video like this. What is CAPTCHA? A CAPTCHA is a verification test in computing that is used to determine whether the robot is operating the system or a human. In other words, we can say that this tool is to identify and prevent websites from spammers. There are different types of CAPTCHA, including letters, audio, images, 3D, math solving. Several companies use the sign-up pages of these verification tests. That is why a company cannot rely on the robots to perform a given task in a limited amount of time. Thus, the company needs real people to solve their CAPTCHAs. How to earn money from CAPTCHA entry job sites. You can earn ranging from $100 to $500 for solving 1,000 CAPTCHAs. Moreover, you just require 1 to 2 hours. Beginners might take 2 hours, but advanced users may even finish their task in less than an hour, for solving these 1,000 CAPTCHAs. If you work 4 to 6 hours a day and solve a huge number of CAPTCHAs, you can earn from $800 to $2,000. The CAPTCHA entry job sites make the payment through PayPal, Perfect Money or Web Money. Top 10 CAPTCHA entry job websites. Here are the best CAPTCHA entry work sites which are not only legitimate but also pay you well. 1. MegaTypers. MegaTypers is a leading CAPTCHA entry job site that is known for its authenticity and payment methods. It is an ideal platform for all the college students, mothers, or anyone who can work in their free time, that too from home. This website can pay you from $100 for typing 1,000 CAPTCHA images correctly. You can easily earn up to $1,000 per month if you work for 5 to 6 hours a day from this website. Payment options. It gets its contributors paid by web money, Bitcoin, Perfect Money, debit cards, bank checks, PayPal, Western Union, and Payza. The minimum payment paid for Western Union is $100, whereas $50 for all the other payment methods. 2. Prati Person. It is also the best platform for doing a part-time job after MegaTypers. It is very similar to MegaTypers, as many details on both the sites are the same. It is a conglomerate of data entry specialists. You can get paid up to $100 from this website by solving CAPTCHA images. It does not matter where you are residing in, you can join this platform from any corner of the world. A beginner can earn up to $30, whereas an advanced user can earn up to $50 for solving 1,000 CAPTCHAs. Payment options. The site pays by bank checks, debit cards, PayPal, Bitcoin, Web Money, Perfect Money, Payza, and Western Union. The minimum payment paid for Western Union is $100, and for all the other payment methods is $50. 3. TwoCapCha. TwoCapCha is one of the best image recognition sites, as it increases the chances of your earning by not keeping it up to 1,000 CAPTCHA images, but you will also get some bonus images for solving all complicated images. Moreover, its loading speed is very fast, as it takes less than 8 seconds to load 2 CAPTCHAs. You can also boost up your earnings by referring more people to use Captcha referral system. You can earn up to $100 for solving 1000 Captchas. You will also be able to find FAQs when you log in, which could help you work smoothly with TwoCapCha. Payment options. Being a contributor, you will be paid by one of the methods including debit cards, AirTM, Payza, ADV Cash, Bitcoin, and Perfect Money. 4. Coladablo. It is one of the leading international Captcha entry work providers. As it is providing online work from home jobs from the last couple of years, it has become a recognized and trustworthy website. People who are working with Coladablo is content as all of them get the payment on time. This website also uses a rating system that helps them to enhance their performance as well as know their weaknesses in order to overcome them. The more meticulously you will work, the more you will earn. It gives an opportunity to earn between $1,000 to $2,000 per month. Payment options. The payment options of Coladablo includes Litecoins, Bitcoins, Yandex Money, Payza, PayPal, and ADV Cash. 5. Fast Typers. It is one of the sites that appreciate the work of their workers when they are performing superlatively. It allows workers to earn extra by paying them a higher amount if they work during the night hours, especially between 12 a.m. to 5 a.m. This way the people who need money get a platform where they get a possibility to earn more than what is offered by other websites. Usually, it pays up to $100 for solving 1000 Captchas. While typing Captcha images, you have to be cautious that you do it within 30 seconds with a minimum of 85% accuracy. Payment options. Fast Typers processes the payment weekly either on Tuesdays or Wednesdays through Web Money, Perfect Money and PayPal. 6. Captcha Typers. It is one of the legitimate Captcha entry work sites where many people are working in their free time. To get their admin panel free of cost, you need to mail to admin@captchatypers.com. Once you mail them, you will get a confirmation mail from this official ID which will include your admin panel. You need to be alert while you do the registration process, as many scammers are asking for a fee for providing their admin panel, which is doing nothing but deceiving you. You will be notified in case the Captchas are case sensitive. They pay you up to $60 for typing 1000 Captcha images, which go higher when working between 9 p.m. to 9 a.m. Payment options. The workers get paid by Perfect Money, Payza, Web Money, Neteller Payment. 7. Pix Profit. Pix Profit's registration is closed as of now. You need to keep an eye on its registration process. If you are able to register yourself over this website, you can earn some extra money as compared to other websites only if you can deliver at least 95% accuracy. Usually, you can get paid up to $50 for every 1000 images. Payment options. Pix Profit pays you by multiple options such as Payza, Web Money, and PayPal. 8. Click Group. Before you start working with this website, you need to download software that will support the Click Group site. This website provides you the admin panel for free of cost, so make sure that you are not spammed by anyone who might ask you to pay extra for providing you admin panel. The best part of this Click Group is that you get paid weekly. Moreover, it is a 2 words Captcha service and the words are case sensitive. However, you need to set a minimum target of 800 Captchas per week in order to receive the payment weekly. Payment options. The workers get paid by PayPal and Payza. 9. Captcha TwoCapCha. For accessing Captcha TwoCapCha you need to download software and sign up. Once you create the account and log in, you will be able to view its tutorial, which will even guide you about how to use and work with this website. Captcha TwoCapCha can help you earn up to $100 for solving 1000 Captchas. Payment options. Captcha TwoCapCha pays you by Perfect Money and Payza. 10. VertuAlbi. VertuAlbi is offering a different type of job options in the fields like translation, typing, and basic internet search. Recently, from the last few years, it has become part of the Lionbridge Virtual Solutions pattern. This website does not offer you a brilliant payment plan for solving 1000 keystrokes as offered by the other websites. You can earn up to $50 for solving 1000 CAPTCHAs. Payment options: it only makes the payment through PayPal. If you have finalized that you are going to make money by typing CAPTCHA images, always ensure and choose one of these 10 CAPTCHA entry job sites from this video. You can work with any of them assuredly, as all of them are authentic. This is Norbipol TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video.